Ooh, cousins, if y'all want to make this delicious peach cobbler where you get crust in every single bite in your van, your camper, or your RV, come along and make sure you watch this video. You do not want to miss this, cousins. Now let me show y'all how to make this viral peach cobbler in your RV or whatever you in, your camper, your van. It don't matter what you in, but I'm gonna show you what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a stick of butter. You're gonna need some vanilla, some cinnamon, 2 cans of peaches. Get the large ones. You're gonna need some self-rising flour, some sugar, milk, and brown sugar. Y'all see it. This the ingredients you're gonna need for this viral peach cobbler. So keep watching this video. Okay, so first thing you're going to do, you're going to get the stick of butter and you're going to put it in your pan. You're going to preheat the oven to 350 and you're going to put this in there while the oven is preheating to melt this butter. Alright, next you're going to get your peaches. 1 can, you're going to pour all the juice off, and then 1 can, you're going to leave the juice. Then you're just going to put it over here. See, that's the can with the juice. That's the can without. Next, you're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Then we're going to do half a cup of brown sugar. Then we're going to do half a cup of regular sugar. Next, we're going to add our cinnamon. You just add however much you would like to add in here. I like a little bit extra cinnamon, but there we go. Okay, now we got all our stuff in here. We're going to mix this up to come to a little simmer. Now we got it all mixed up. Just waiting on it to come to a simmer. Okay, y'all, now it's time to make our batter. And it's very important to use self-rising flour or it will not be right. You got to use self-rising flour. Now for the flour, we're going to use 1.5 cups of flour. Okay, after the flour, you're going to need 1 cup of sugar. Then after your flour and your sugar, you're going to use some cinnamon. You can put it down to your liking. That's how much I put in. And you're going to put 1 cup of milk, which is right here. And you're going to mix this up to come to like a pancake consistency. Alright, now this is a pancake consistency, what your batter needs to look like. And see right here, this your butter that you got melted, and we just gonna pour it in there. Let me do this. I'm trying to get everything. I don't want to miss nothing. I should have got a spoon. I think that's enough, bro. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. This how it look. Now I'm about to get the peaches, and I'm just going to pour it on top. I'm going to burn you. Alright, yeah, that's how I look. And do not stir. Make sure you do not stir. Just put it in there just like that. Do not stir. Now it's out the oven and ready to eat. And y'all, my oven had went off too. I had to cut it back on. But anyway, y'all, look at this crust in every bite. You can't tell me this don't look good. But let me tell you, it is good. Only thing you need, if you like ice cream on top of yours, get you some ice cream. But I don't, because it make my teeth too cold. But cousins, here is your peach cobbler. Go on and make it and let me know what you think. Bye, cousins.